In this video, we're going to talk about how you can cancel your Planet Fitness membership. You want to go to the Planet Fitness website, and then right here, I'm just going to click on Join Now. And you want to find your specific location here for Planet Fitness. So whichever one you go to. I'm going to go to the United States. And let's say that we are going or go to this one in Springfield. You just want to click on it. And then once you find your location, you will click on Club Details. Now, once you click on Club Details, it's going to take you to that specific website. And here you will be able to see the phone number and also contact information. So you just want to contact that specific club and explain that you would like to cancel your membership. Now, it's not going to be available for all clubs. Some clubs are going to ask you to go and actually do it in person, but it doesn't hurt to call the number, and then once you get in contact them, explain that you would like to cancel your membership. And if it's doable over the phone or online, then they will assist you with that. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.